Hey, welcome to Farmstorming, a channel where we dive deep into the farm and the crazy projects that we work on. Right now it's Wednesday, just about noontime, and it's blowing really hard and it's cold, but it was a perfect time to show you the wind turbine and how it works and what I'm going to use it for. So let's get to it. It's Wednesday about noonish during a big heavy windstorm, which is a perfect time to show you this AmpAir air turbine. It's a 600 watt AmpAir turbine. It's about 20 feet in the air to the mast. That's the keep it stable. It's got a cable that runs all the way, just a 24 volt cable that goes all the way to the base. Again, that's a 600 watt turbine that keeps these batteries charged. Now this system here, made by AmpAir, these are 130 watt panels, 6 of them, and inside there's 100 amp hour batteries, 10 of them each. So there's 1,000 amp hour in each one of these enclosures. Let me open up one of these boxes for you. So this system is originally designed to run remote communications, satellite, somewhere that's out in the middle of nowhere that's hard to get to. Oftentimes these things are taken in by a helicopter and landed in really remote places. So this system I'm going to adapt to power up some of my fans and my lights in my greenhouse, and the excessive energy turbine and the solar panels are creating. We're going to dump that excess power into those barrels that I've shown you to heat up those barrels during the winter time. During the summertime, the excess power will just go onto powering the fans and other control systems that I have at the time. Here's a look at it. So here's a battery isolator, so I can actually just turn off and isolate the batteries. A load isolator, so this load will go out in either a 24 or 12 volt mode. Right now it looks like my batteries are being charged pretty well at just under 30 volts. I got a switch here that I can turn off my turbine. So what it does is it shorts it. The minute I turn this, see it going right there, I'm going to turn it off, and it'll instantly stop. So it's basically running. I currently don't have the system hooked up, so I shouldn't have that turbine running. In fact, I'm going to turn the turbine back on, and you'll see that amperage run back up. Okay, I just turned it on, and there it's starting to spin again. Yeah, you can see that turbine go up. It's registering at 5 amps right now, 5, 10, 20, yeah, 5 amps right there. I've seen it go as high as 10 amps. Right now there is no load, so that's at 0. And my solar's obviously got about 5 amps as well. So you can hear that ringing. That's this heat dump right here. All it is just a heater that's dumping off some heat, which is kind of frustrating for me because I got to get that heat into the greenhouse. So under here you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 100 amp hour Trojan batteries. These are the 31 AGM, so these are the absorbed glass mat. These batteries are designed for really cold temperatures, and you can see that they're separated with insulation to help resist those cold temperatures, to keep the batteries up to temperature, because no battery does well in cold temperatures. But the AGM, these are one of the more environmentally friendly and rugged batteries for cold temperatures. So in the spring sometime, I'm going to get these babies hooked up to our greenhouse here to supply that excess heat and power to those fans. But this panel right here was actually shattered. I got it replaced, and that's that panel that you see down there on the combine, or the swather, was that panel that smashed, but it still provides enough current to at least keep a battery charged. So anyways, I forgot to turn that back off. I gotta turn that back off again. So that was just a quick update while the wind was blowing. I wanted to show you this equipment. If you like that stuff, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.